gonna go ahead and put the pizza in the center. Antonio, just put the piece of wood on top. This way we have the perfect flame in the oven. Everybody, of course, loves the wood fire pizza oven. Like you can see, we have a beautiful pizza oven, but we actually not going to put the pizza in the oven. This is going to be a special pizza. Everybody looks for the carbs, they are healthy, they want to stay in shape. So I created the pizza that is actually a pizza with no carbs. The reaction was shocked. Almost a shock, because they say, oh wow, how can be this possible? A couple more minutes on top of just on top of the wood. We get the flavor of the wood fire from the ingredients that we cook inside there. The meat that is going to be more hard to bite, so it's going to be the opposite. Everything is important for the texture of the pizza. I had to find a way to make it a little bit lighter. We also have some roasted cherry tomatoes, different colors, to have the sour and sweet at the same time. The more is yellow and the more are sour taste. So it's gonna balance all the flavors. There's the hot ash. I'm gonna go ahead and place those tomatoes on top here. That's it. We're gonna be careful, we don't wanna burn it. This cooking process is super important for the texture of the pizza. So that's the texture that we want. We want a little bit of black on top. This way it gives a nice smoky flavor. Let's make the actual pizza now. This is going to be the water, the cold water, hot water, boiling. We're going to go ahead and dump the water, not actually on top. Like though, yes. Let's leave it a little bit in the hot water. That's the top secret. We are going to shape this as a pizza. We are recooking it to be able to make the shape of the pizza. It's super important that we have to create like a ball. Same thing when we're making the dough ball with the actual pizza dough. We're making the actual crust. Same way. In the video probably looks like the pizza dough, but it's not. I no dough, so it's carb free. The balance ingredient is super important for this pizza because you know, everything tastes good with bread. Okay, so in this case we don't have bread. So we have to balance the toppings and ingredients together to find the perfect balance of flavor. When we serve it to the table, it looks like a raw dough, and the people, they're gonna think, oh, what is this, a raw dough? That's the secret. And then when we are going to tell them that it's made with no carbs, they're gonna get super surprised because the look, again, is the same exactly as a pizza. This consistency here, it looks like the actual pizza dough, but it's the cheese. Pizza is made with 100% fresh mozzarella. When the cheese is nice and smooth, that's when it's actually ready. Let's check one more time. Let's make sure it's all nice and smooth. It is. Okay, so this is ready. We put it in the cold water to stop the cooking part, basically. This pizza is, we eat it cold. If we put this pizza in the oven now, it's gonna get super melty and we're gonna make a total mess. So that's why everything needs to be cooked before. Some ingredients doesn't taste good when it's cold. It's not good for this type of pizzas. Because if you put tomato sauce, it's gonna get too bland, the flavor. So I don't think it's a good balance of ingredients. It even tastes even better than the regular pizza because it's made a different flavor that people don't never taste something like that. The look of this pizza looks like exactly as a pizza. If I don't tell you that the base is a cheese, it looks like a raw dough with all the toppings. When you're eating, that's when you find out that your palate starts to dance. Much more plans to create different style of pizzas because every time I go somewhere I find an ingredient. So always I get in my mind I want to create something. I want to create a pizza, but not pineapple. No pineapple on my pizzas. It's against my religion.